Thobal District Labor General Public the information se pithokning badi hayeng tang 17 May 2025 sida pung mari taba matamda Civil Defense Mock Drill Operation Abhyas haibase pangthokni haina haizeninge asigi exercise nationwide initiative under the Civil Defense Rules 1968 Makada to simulate air raids scenario, calamities and test emergency preparedness and response mechanism ki damagda pangthokani asigi mock drill sida activities se air raid warning sirens ko siren khongani aduga public awareness ki announcement do police gi vehicles gi ekoi tawjagani aduga fire engine siren su khongani aduga emergency response activation adum pangthokani adu mathang oina blackout simulation search and rescue operations casualty evacuation and simulated damage structures adu civil defense training for civilians on safety measures during hostile attacks asigumba se activities se include tawraga pangthokani haibda haijaninge adana asi pangthokpa matamda siren khongba matamda mai muthat matamda general public na khanghanning se panic toba aduga akiba pakhatba phaudanaba haina ekoi se asigi media sidigi haijabani aduga loinana general public sina full cooperation pire hairaga asigi mock drill se phajana pangthok ngai appeal tawjabani thank you